Adobe Photoshop is a very popular software for graphic designers, web designers and photo editors. It is a user-friendly software and offers lots of unique tools that help you unleash your creativity. Today we are going to share with you 7 best online courses to learn Adobe Photoshop in 2018. Number 1. Learn Photoshop CC 2018 Fundamentals for Getting Started, created by Kat Coquelet. If you are a brand new one, this course is a perfect course for you, because this course is sorted with fundamentals for learning Photoshop. This course instructor name is Kat Coquelet. She is the founder of CatCock, an illustration and design brand formerly based out of Kansas City. Number 2. Mastering Adobe Photoshop CC, created by Infinite Skills. This training course breaks down the features and tools of Photoshop CC into easily understood parts, increasing your ability to understand and retain the information. You will learn how to organize your files using Adobe Bridge, work with camera or images, create and manage color in an image, utilize layers in Photoshop and work with filters. Number 3. Adobe Photoshop for Photographers by Infinite Skills. This Photoshop for Photographers training course from Infinite Skills teaches you advanced techniques aimed specifically towards photographers to touch up, correct, and enhance digital and scanned images. This course is designed for users that already have a basic working knowledge of Adobe Photoshop. Number 4. Digital Landscapes, Painting Environments with Photoshop, created by Hardy Fowler. Hardy Fowler is a professional digital artist living in New Orleans. He received his manuscript degree in medical illustration from the Medical College of Georgia. This class is perfect for students seeking to enter the concept art field, or for professionals looking for ways to improve their workflow. Number 5. UI Design with Photoshop from Beginner to Expert, created by Muhammad Azan Pervez. Here you will learn all the basic tools of Photoshop for UI design, how to use Photoshop extensions to speed up UI designing process, learn about color schemes and typography online tools, designing mobile app in Photoshop, dribble shot redesign step-by-step exercises, and lots of things. Number 6. Professional 2D Game Graphic Design in Photoshop, created by Jason Batchelor. This 2D game background creation course will show you how to create quick, high-quality stylized backgrounds for games and animations that will stand up as professional work. The techniques taught in this course can be translated into prop and character creation. This course will enhance or give you skills in the world of digital art creation, or your money back. Number 7. T-shirt Design Masterclass with Adobe Photoshop, created by Masterclass Batista. If you want to learn t-shirt designing from the very beginning to expert, then this course perfect for you. This online course will teach you how to design a catchy t-shirt that will catch the buyer's attention, and these things will be invaluable to your t-shirt selling business success. Thanks for watching us. Don't forget to like the video, and don't forget to subscribe.